I'm Ajith Chaudhary. Currently, I'm working in Cellopack Industries Limited. Today, we joined a Skyline seminar related to our communication skills and team leader building skills and how to tackle teams, how to formulate, how to forecasting everything. This seminar helps a lot, and it will be grateful for our working style. Skyline is also help to doing best thing to communicate with the companies and everything.
Straight juice. That's good. Okay. Team C, any guesses? First round. Go for the same.
I want to tell all of you something. This session was geared not only for management and supervisor and sub-tier management roles. So please, I hope you will take these lessons back home with us and incorporate this team culture back at Cellopack.
Any questions? Quickly. Feel free to ask questions.
My name is Festus Mwachukwu. I'm the head of administration and personnel in Cellopack Industries Limited, a company based in Sharada, Phase 3, Kano. We've come for a session on communication and on how to master teamwork in the company. One would think that one knows all, but being here, we have learned that the session was interactive. There's no end to learning. I'm very grateful to the management. I'm also very grateful for the role that Skyline has played.
My name is Muhammad Adamu from Cellopack Industries Limited, Kano. We are here in Skyline University today to have a lecture on how to improve ourselves as a company to work as a team, which from the lecture and the practical section, and if you are taking a risk, you have to take a calculative risk, not just taking the risk without calculation. So from the class and the lectures, with all the activities given, it impacted a lot on me, and I'm happy.
Good evening, viewers. My name is Ajith Kumar. I'm a floor supervisor from Cellopack Industries Limited, Sharada Phase 3, Kano. I'm so honored, I'm so pleased to be part of this program, and I urge everyone who is viewing this to please endeavor to enroll in Skyline University, Kano. Thank you.